And what happened was I remember landing from Mumbai and a client, someone from a company giving me a call. Hey, Akshat, Kharbanda. I'm like, yes. He's like, Kharbanda, I'm calling from this company. Come to our office tomorrow. I'm like, okay. What is it about? He's like, yeah, we, you do advertising? I'm like, yeah, we do a little bit of advertising. More, our lead gen is our, scope of work mostly. They just come to our office. I'm like, I show you, I have to drive all the way there. Okay, just come. I come. I went into the conference room. Whole conference room is filled. I know this does not happen. Getting to a decision maker is a difficult thing. I'm like, the CEO comes and everyone is sitting. And CEO is like, there are two things, Akshat. Number one, how can I stop seeing your ad? I'll take care of it. Then, can you set it up for me? Yes. 1 week, I got the contract. So, it has happened only once. Not, but it has happened. So, the trick over here is changing the ad offers, right? So, my offering is always being, I sell lead generation. But today, my offering was to my other clients was, come to this free workshop. This is a different offering. They might finally go into that. So, have a different offering. Have a content offering, have a free something offering if you are not able to get people.